Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and I got an interesting one that I found at 99 Ranch Market. It's a chain on the west coast of Asian groceries. They might be on the east coast now too, but this is Hezhai Ramen peppered fish head flavor. So, and it's from China. Sounds interesting to me. I will prepare it now. See, got a noodle block, sprinkle, a couple little fishy looking packets, and an included fork, ladies and gentlemen. What could you do with this? I don't know, but I don't use those. I am in the kitchen. I have my own master crafted forks for my dining pleasure, for my one bite and toss the rest pleasure. So what's shaking? Today is officially, yesterday was the last day of school for them, so today is officially the first full day of summer vacation for my wonderful, perfect children. They're more perfect than a perfect phone call. They are perfect children. And yeah, they're kicking it. We're gonna go out walking after this, which is goodness. Got a little park nearby that had a little waterfall, and so we're gonna go visit that, which is fun and recreational. So let's add the boiling water to the line. Okay. Slap a lido on and give it a start. Hello, Pepper. Pepper the Wonder Dog, ladies and gentlemen. She's licking my arm right now. Okay, go lay down. You're good. So, what's going on? I'm wearing my Giants hat today because the Giants have won the last 9 games in a row. Swept the Dodgers, and that's rad because we're not, as we're Giants fans, we're obviously not Dodgers fans. That was crazy business. That series was some really neat baseball to watch. And right now we're playing the Padres. And that seems to be going good. We won the last 2 against them. Last night, their pitcher, who was supposedly just like really great, had like a .27 ERA going in. And he threw the ball and threw the ball, and we had the bases juiced. I think we had 2 outs, and the guy walked him, and that was it. It's like, wow. Getting a walk isn't like a stroke of good luck either. You've got to like not swing at a ball. So, what was his name? Jock Peterson. And he's a former Dodger. And, yeah. Still don't like him, but I mean, hey, cool. Meanwhile, there's a submarine full of billionaires stuck at the bottom of the ocean looking for the Titanic. Not recommended. I would not recommend going to the bottom of the ocean and looking around. At 12,000 feet below the surface, you've got a lot of water on top of you, and it'll squish you like a tin can, and I'm guessing that's what happened. But they're saying that, hey, out of my chair. So what they're saying is that they don't know how they'll get it out if they find it, and there's like 24 hours left of oxygen. It's a riveting thing. So we can continue to be riveted to our telecommunications. Indeed. So, yeah. So that's what's going on. Cloudy. It's supposed to be mostly sunny today, though, and I'm excited about that. I like good weather. Simmer down now. Simmer down, children. Important to be simmering down. Right? It's the children. Maybe I'll bring them in on the next episode. I don't know. The next episode is actually going to be short. It's a 90-second spin in the microwave on that one. So this one's interesting. The lid is painted on. As far as like, oh, maybe not. I'm pretty sure it is. Fish. I'm curious. I'm very curious about how this is gonna go. The noodle looks like it might be really good, though. We'll see. So yeah. Oh, we've been watching Black Mirror. That show's crazy. Just a bunch of crazy BS going on right now. Today is June 21st. And yeah. Oh, I don't want to get that in the way. But yeah, Miles is out there playing some kind of Sonic thing. He's really good at it too. Didn't expect he'd be so good at video games, but he really is. Exemplary, so. Exemplarily? Oh, I should tell you in the next episode about the cheese. It's cheese I got a long time ago because I thought it was cheap, and it was cheap. It's not cheese. So that will come up in the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the finest show you've ever watched in the short span of your lifetime. So, yeah. If I remember, I may completely space that I said I was going to talk about that. So it said 4 to 5 minutes. I'm hoping these are done. They're hot. It's funny, it's saying what you do is you drain it with this. There's no drains. Oh, no, there's no drain spout on it. And this is freaking molten lava hot. So I would just say do this in your kitchen and use one of these. A fencing mask. That's a lot of noodles. Peppered fish head. No, I'm not feeding Pepper any noodles. She's regular these days, so we don't want to make her lose her outdoor cohesion. Yeah, she's fine. You give that dog a treat, and she will give you a not treat. Okay. Sauce. Peppered fish head. I've had a Taiwanese fish head casserole variety before, which was really quite good. That's from Little Couples of Taiwan. Hello to them. I met them at a food show in Taipei. What, 2017? Ooh, interesting. What does that remind me of? It reminds me of something. I don't know what for sure. Anyways, let's stir this up. I'll let you visibly ingest some of the stir action. So as you can see, it's a sauce. Combining the sauce with the noodle. Hey, leave her be. She's in her crate. She's sleeping. She's being good. Let the sleeping dog lie, Miles. No, none of that. I'm doing my show. Are you having a good day, buddy? Yeah. Yes. Well, that's swell again. All right. A forkful of these fancy Chinese noodles. You know what's weird about these too? On the distributor's sticker, it mentions it has chicken in it, which is very odd because these are from China. Import restrictions, you know. Cheers. Mmm. Spicy. Nice fish flavor to it. It's not overwhelming. It's not fish-y. But it's good. That's a good one. I can recommend this. I'm stoked. Let me use this bowl. I have a feeling I'm hopeful. The next one I don't know that I'll really be able to recommend. Oh, and there's water all over here. I must have spilled water all over the place. You know, water. I'm good at that. Yeah, it's not tomato-y, but it's got a nice taste to it. We'll do this. Yeah, I like that. What can we do here? Yeah, I made a big mess on the stove. All this water. That's good. If you like things and flavors and such, I'd say you should check this out. Worthwhile. Zesty. Swell again. Let's let it rotate. Ah. That's a little tofu puff. Crushed red pepper. Yeah. Cool, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this. This comes from a company, they're in the US, but it's exported and made in Thailand. This is That's Asia sweet and sour sauce with noodles. It's a big bag of sauce and a bag of noodles. You put it all in here and you microwave it for 90 seconds. Last one I had from this company was absolutely foul, so I'm really hopeful that this one's better. Anyways, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Have a good one, and bye.